Hi everybody, this Farmall 300 isn't running very good. Just try and start it. It starts up fine. Then we just go move it and see what happens. You see the choke light right closed. It's running fine right now, but you just wait. Just as if you shut the key off. So we gotta fix this problem. Okay, so I'm gonna pull the carburetor off. That's the first step. Okay, just to clarify, we'll turn the gas on and see what our gas flow looks like. Yeah, that'll definitely run it. So the problem is definitely in the carburetor, there's no question. Okay, I got the carburetor tore apart, at least the top and the bottom half. I've got to disassemble it completely, take as much stuff out of it as I can. And we're going to give her a bath. There's a big part of the problem right here. See, the needle valve's in there and I'm holding the carburetor upside down, it's going nowhere. So that's a big part of the problem right there. Well, now it's apart, it's still getting its bath. Okay, got the carburetor tore apart. This little ball and chain, I don't know if you can see it, has all the small parts in it. See, it keeps them separate. And this is an ultrasonic cleaner. It's a 6-liter capacity, so for a carburetor it's just about right. Now I'm going to fill this up with, I got a solution of simple green water. Okay, I got my solution in, but here's the thing with an ultrasonic cleaner. I have dumped it in, the temperature of the solution is 21 degrees Celsius. The temperature I got this thing set at is 70 degrees Celsius. It'd take this thing 2 hours to heat that hot. So I'm going to preheat it. Here's how I'm preheating it right here. You can see that I don't know if you can see that with the camera, but there's already a convection current going in there. Rather than waiting 2 hours, you might as well preheat it, so this will heat 70 degrees Celsius in about 5 minutes, so a matter of minutes. So it's already warmer to the touch. Well, I got the water heated up and in the ultrasonic heater, and you can see I got it pretty close enough for the girls I go with. I'll turn the heater on anyways, so it stabilizes the temperature, and it shows 70 right now. And we turn her on and let her have her bath. Okay, I put it in for a half an hour. I just let it sit in the hot water longer, and you see it already did a good job. So what I've got to do is turn my air compressor on and blow absolutely all the holes out. with air and brake clean, and then I'm going to give her another bath for another half hour. Okay, I'm going to go one more time. You simply cannot get a carburetor too clean. Okay, got the carburetor done. I got hanging on the choke cable. I greased the gasket tight. That way it'll hold itself on here. That's a real pain to line this thing up. Don't know, it should work. It doesn't. Yeah, here it is. The new gasket will work. It's just a little tight. There you go. Okay, I'll put the carb on. We'll try it. Carb is on. Gas is on. Choke is in. Let's see what it says. You need to choke it. I'll slow the throttle down too. No choke at all. Look at the inside of my ultrasonic cleaner. I'll just shine light with the drill maybe. Look at the inside of that. That all came from the outside of the carburetor. That's just all gunk from that carburetor that got cleaned up. No wonder it didn't run very good. As you can see, the 300 is running very well. It ran for quite a while last night, didn't do anything wrong. It ran perfect. All I put in here is a gasket set, $5 gasket set. I didn't replace any parts in the carburetor. That's the thing, these carburetors, generally, the reason they give trouble is not because the parts go bad, but because they get dirty. And a good cleanup fixes a lot. Well, thanks for watching. You have a good day.